In this video, we are going to discuss about a NAND using CMOS. Now, here you can see two P-channel MOS and two N-channel MOS. You all know that a P-channel MOS will conduct when the gate to source voltage is negative, and an N-channel MOS will conduct when the gate to source voltage is positive, and both will not conduct when the gate to source voltage is 0. Now here you're aware of the NAND operation, that when any one of the input for a NAND gate is 0, the output is high, and when both the inputs are high, the output is low. Now we'll see what happens when both A and B are 0. Now here this is connected to the terminal. So the gate of P channel is all 0 and the gates of N channel is all 0. Now here for this P channel, what is the gate to source voltage? Here the source is connected to the supply, so gate to source is negative. Here also gate to source is negative. So both these P channel MOS will conduct. And what about this N channel? Here the gate is 0 and here the gate is 0 and the source is connected to the ground. So in this case, both these N channel MOS will not conduct because the gate to source is 0. So since these two N channels doesn't conduct, your output is a high. Your output is a high because both these P channels conduct and the current flows, and your output is high. Now what happens when A is 0 and B is 1? When A is 0 and B is 1, as you know, both these are conducting, but when A is 0 and B is 1, what happens to this? Now here this will not conduct, whereas the second N channel MOS will conduct, but this first N channel is not conducting, so still you get the output as high. Now what happens when A is 1 and B is 0? Now over here the gate to source is positive, so this N channel conducts, but here the gate to source is 0, so the second N channel will not conduct. So there isn't any connection to the ground, so still you get the output as high. Now what happens when both A and B are 1? When both A and B are 1, both the N channels will conduct, so there is a current flow from VDD to ground, so your output goes low. So when both A and B are 1, output is 0. Thank you.